Jai Hind, my dear students. Hope you all are fine at your home and doing the work given by your teacher. So, today, in the series of Vedic mathematics, I am here to tell you how to multiply in one lines of 2 digits, 3 digits, 4 digits, and 5 digits, and up to any digits, you can say. Fine. So, here is the first example. In Vedic mathematics, when we want to multiply 23 with 12, so your first step, you can learn from this figure also. There are two digits. Yes, so you have to put two dots here and two here. Within 3 steps you can get the answer. Fine. So first one is this, then this cross, then these two digits. How? 2 3 are 6, then 2 2 are 4, and 3 1 are 3, 4 and 3 are 7, and 1 2 are 2. 276 is the correct answer. One more example. 8 4 are 32, 2 is here, 3 carry, then this is cross. 8 3 are 24, 4 4 are 16, and when we add 24 and 16 you will get 40. 40 and 3 is 43, so you put 3 here and 4 carry. Then 4 3 are 12, 12 and 4 is 16, so 1632 is the correct answer. You can multiply with this method in one line only. Fine. It is for 2 digits. When the upper portion, then where is 23 multiplied by 12. In both the cases there are 2 digits. So this method is applied in that case where 2 digits are there. So next there is 3 digits. When you want to multiply, when 3 digit is there in the question, and you have to multiply with 3 digits. So here is the diagram for this. You have to put only 5 steps you need. This is the first one. This is the second one. First you have to multiply these two numbers. Fine. And in second step you have to multiply this cross, these two cross. Fine. And the third one, you have to take this one, add, and this one. You have to add. In fourth step, what you have to do? This. You have to multiply by this and this. And in fifth step, what is left? That is, you have to multiply by this. Fine. Let us take one example. So first of all, 4 2 are 8. Then you have to cross. 4 3 are 12, 2 1 are 2, 12 and 2 is 14. 4 and 1 carry over. Then 4 4 are 16, 2 2 are 1, 2 2 are 2, so 2 1 are 2, 4 4 16, 17, 18, and 3 1 are 3, 19, 20, 21, and 1 is this, 22. So you put 2 here and 2 is carry over. Then 3 1 are 3, 4 1 are 4, 4 and 3 are 7, 7 and 2 is 8. You have to put 8 here. Fine. 4 1 are 4, 3 1 are 3, 7, 7 and 2 is 9. Then 1 4 are 4. So 49,248 is the correct answer. Let us take one more example. First of all, you have to multiply this. 4 8 are 32. You put 2 here and 3 carry. Then this is 4 2 are 8. You can recite table in any language. If you are comfortable with Hindi, then you can say that for 4 duni 8. You can say that. 4 2 are 4 8s are 32. You will put 2 here and 3 carry over. The next step is to multiply this. 4 2 are 8. 8 3 are 24. 24 and 8 is 32. Then 32, 33, 34, 35. So you have to put 5 here and 3 The next step is to multiply this way, this way, this way, and you have to add. Fine. 8 2s are 16, 6 4 are 24, 3 2 are 6, and 3 is the carryover. So 6 4 10, 10 and 69 19, 9, and put 1 here, 2 3 and 4. It's 49. So put 9 here and 4 is the carryover. Now this step, 6 3 are 18, 2 2 are 4, 18 and 4 22, 22 and 4 is 26. So put 6 here and 2 is the carryover. Fine. 2 6 are 12, 12 and 2 is 14. So 1,46,952 is the correct answer. Fine. Hope you enjoyed the Vedic mathematics, how to multiply multiplication according to the Vedic mathematics within one line. Fine. When you will do practice at your home, you will do very easily. Thank you and have a nice day.